Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Plants Crochet Cooking and more. As you can see, block tiles are being placed on the other side of the driveway. So this is what is being done in our society of late. And quickly, today I have lots of work to do. I'll be going to my father's place, so I'll prepare breakfast for Adi and myself. I'm making panniyaram. This I'm making with semolina, that is suji. I've added a bit of carrot, chilies, curry leaves and soda into it and salt. I mixed it properly, and yes, I also used curd in it. Mixed it with little bit of water and placed it, covered and placed it aside to rest. And then I heated this panniyaram pan and put little oil into it so that it does not stick to the bottom. And then when it's heated, I've added the batter into it, cooked it, covered and cooked it for about 2-3 minutes, and then flipped it the other side, covered again and cooked for 2-3 minutes. And then it's done, and I've served it with a dip. That was the easy breakfast, quick and easy breakfast that we had. After breakfast, I will be going to my father's place, where my sister and myself will be taking my father to the Aadhaar card office. Adi, I'm bringing. Panniyaram.
Wow, wow, wow.
Let's give it a little bit of salt. This is such a delicious as well as healthy meal, you can say. Give it a try once. I'm sure you will like this recipe. How is it?
So yum.
Nice, no? Okay. Ready? Baba, ready to me? Very good.
What is that bone?
লাগাতে পারছো? লাগাতে পারছো? ওকে, চুল সিটি করে নাও। চুল সিটি করে নাও।
চুল আছে?
আছে, একটু একটু আছে। বুনু রেডি হয়ে যাক, তারপরে বেরোবো আমরা। হ্যাঁ, আজকে বাবার আউটিং। পরে নিয়েছো জুতো ঠিক মতন? হ্যাঁ, রেডি?
লাইট নেব
লাঠি, হ্যাঁ লাঠি নাও। লাঠি নিয়ে তো ফটো তুলিনি। ধরো, রেডি না? We have reached the office and we are waiting. My father's turn is at number 5 most probably. My sister has gone to inquire about it. My father forgot to smile while taking the photo. Later we teased him. We taught you to smile so much, you rehearsed so much, and there you forgot to smile. At this age, fingerprints are also not very visible. We have tried many times, a couple of times. At least 4 for each hand. And for the 4 fingers and thumb separately again 4 times. My sister too tried her best so that the fingerprints would be visible. The 4 fingers, placing the 4 fingers is okay, but placing the thumb is quite difficult. বাইনাগুলো যে দেখার মতন করো। Later in the evening when we came back home, I tried to pick these flowers and nearly fell into the drain, and my daughter imagined that I've already fallen into the drain and she's thinking of ways how to take me out from there. Imagine. So I'm going to put these flowers. This is the gulmohar flower. Y'all must be knowing it. I'm going to place it on a a glass bottle and keep it in my kitchen. Let's see how it looks. Flowers are something which will always brighten up any corner. It's vibrant orange. It's actually vermilion color. So I thought of keeping it here where I keep the oil and the pickle. I thought it will be better to place it in this corner. I hope you are enjoying our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Later I decided that I think I should keep the flower on the countertop. And then place both the bottles on top, the mustard oil as well as the refined oil. Refined oil is over actually. I have to again refill this bottle, so I better refill it first. So here, this is the end of our video today. We'll meet again in our next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.